It's time to start decorating for the holidays, but we want to keep electrical safety in mind. Before hanging up any lights, you definitely want to check the wires and make sure that they're in good shape. If you have any wires that are really outdated or they're starting to get worn out, you can see some of the copper or the actual exposed wire. Definitely don't want to use those. Those are where fire hazards pop in. You also want to check for your bulbs and make sure that the bulbs are all in. If there's any of them that are cracked, that could also cause issues. When it comes to your Christmas tree, you want to make sure that you're using proper lighting as well. We always recommend people using LED lights for a number of reasons. The most well-known reason for using LED lights is because it's pretty cost-friendly. They don't use hardly as much electricity, so that'll definitely help out on the electric bill. LED lights also do produce a lot less heat, and they're a lot less likely to overheat and start burning, so LED lights are definitely the way to go. If you are planning on using lights outside, make sure that they're rated for outdoor use. The outdoor ones are typically a little bit more robust and they can handle a little bit more like the weather, the cold temperatures and all that. One of the concerns for outdoor lighting this holiday season that we do run into quite a bit is your lights actually energizing your gutters, because obviously we usually put those Christmas lights and clip those to the gutters of our home. Your gutters are metal, and if you have any wiring that is damaged or frayed, and that electrical wire comes in contact with your gutter, it can actually energize your guttering system. And if someone comes in contact with those gutters, if you're cleaning gutters this time of year with the leaves, if that person is electrically grounded, there's a chance that they could get shocked. So that's why it's really important to keep up with them and make sure that they're in good shape before you hang them up this year. When it's time to plug in, make sure you don't overload your outlets. It's never a good idea to plug in multiple extension cords into each other. The outlet can start to get overheated, and then things can start to melt, and that's where the fire hazards pop in. So if you are going to have your holiday lights outside, make sure that they are plugged into a GFCI. These are really important. These are actually life safety devices. The reason that these are required for Christmas lights and anything outdoors is because of the water that's present. If any water comes in contact with your electrical devices or your lights or whatever it is, this can detect that and it's going to turn it off immediately. That way no one is potentially going to become electrocuted or shocked from that. And it's going to just keep everybody safe.